Yo, what's up guys, welcome to this new video here at Top Notch Programmer. Today I'll show you guys how to get free traffic for your CPA marketing links. So if you are in a CPA marketing network and you don't know where to promote your links and how to get free promotional methods, today I'll show you guys how to use TikTok to do this. So I'm super excited today to show you this method, and if you are too, smash the like button and let's start without losing any more time. So you know that TikTok is the best social media today to get free traffic, free likes and free followers. And this is why we are going to use TikTok today to get free traffic into our CPA links. So you should never miss this opportunity right now. A long time ago I've been applying this method and it have worked perfectly. I've been doing about $100 with only one account in TikTok, and I'll share with you today this method and hopefully this will work for you too. So let's start with it. So if you go to tiktok.com, and for example, this is my account here on TikTok, and if you search here on the search bar for example, for gaming niche like Fortnite V-Bucks, for example, Fortnite V-Bucks, and if you hit enter, you can see a bunch of accounts here with a lot of followers. And as you can see here, we have 6.5k, 5k, 4k, and if you load more, we have even more accounts like 3k, and here we have 36.5k followers. And if you wonder what are these accounts, these are just bulk accounts that are created by people to get traffic into their TikToks. And if you click on the first one, for example, here we have only 3 videos, and here we have almost 6.5k followers. And yeah, they are getting a lot of traffic and a lot of views here. And if you click on one of these, you can see that is just a clip, a Fortnite live stream or something, Fortnite video, and it's showing here that link in bio, and people are going to immediately click on the link in their bio. And if you click on the link, and this will redirect you in another site, and this site is a CPA marketing site. Yeah, as you can see here, we have a generator, a V-Bucks generator, and if you type your username here and click how many V-Bucks you want and click on generate, this is going to run a generator. This is going to maybe run a generator, but this actually is not generated, it's just a dummy account, a dummy website that is going to play a role like it's generating V-Bucks for your account, but this is not going to really work. At the end of this verification, you are going to see some offers, and these offers are just some ads that people have to complete to click on it and to do that. So to complete any offer below to unlock the reward, so just click on these ones, and this is going to show you redirect in an ad website and in a questionnaire or something else that is going to show you ads. So this is how the CPA marketing works. And if you close this out, you can see that they got a lot of followers. And it's not only this account. You can, if you go back and search again for Fortnite V-Bucks, and you're gonna see that there are a lot of accounts that are doing this. And this is how we are going to also get traffic today. And you can choose any niche you want, the gaming niche or any gift card, something, or generators for your games or any other games like Fortnite, like GTA 5 free download links, or any other games. So let's go to our CPA network and go ahead and create a website. You can join any CPA network you want, but I prefer to use CPA Build because it easily has a lot of templates that you can use for your websites. And if you want to join CPA Build, in a link in the description you can go to the first link and click on it and use my referral code and go ahead and register with using that link. So let's go to my account here on CPA Build. I'm going to be creating a new website for my gaming niche that I'm going to be sharing in the TikTok. Okay, let's get a free template from CPA Build, and to get a template, just scroll down a little bit and go to templates. Then here you can search for any template you want. You can search, for example, for gaming niches or anything like that, but for now we'll search for a gift card. And here it will show you a lot of websites. Here we have, for example, Google Play gift card, and a lot of people want this gift card, so I'm going to be creating a website for this one. And you can click on preview just to show you how this looks. This website looks legit, and this is really good to use because if you click on this link, it will show you just complete this sponsor activity here, then refer a friend, and then it will show you the GIF link, the code of the GIF. And if we can close this out, and to use this one, you just have to click on link. Then it will show you what content locker and mobile locker you want to use. You can search for any you want. You can use any of the content lockers you have, but you can also search for a gift card locker. And again, below, just search again for gift card and choose gift card locker. And then after putting these two, choosing these two settings, just click on get URL, and then it will show you a URL here. Just go ahead and copy this one. And now we are not going to use directly this link, but we have to convert this link into a bit link, because if you paste this link directly into your TikTok account, this will be deleted or banned from TikTok, because TikTok already knows that this is a CPA link and not a normal website. So just go ahead into new tab and search for bit website, and now we have to create a new link. Just click on create, paste your link and click on create again. Then it will show you a shortened link from bit, and just click on copy. If we close this out and open new tab and paste the link we just copied, we can see that we have now our website here that we can just share into our TikTok and get traffic for it. So let's close it out, or just I'm going to paste this here in this new tab. And now we can go to our tiktok.com. So just go to tiktok.com and create a new account that you can use to upload this kind of videos. And after creating your account, please make sure to use a username that is related to the content or the website that you are going to promote. Promoting Fortnite V-Bucks, you can create a V-Bucks generator username, or a username that is related to the content. And also for this one that I'm using right now, gift card, you can go ahead and choose a username like gift card generator or free gift card that people are easily going to search it. So after creating a new account, you can go ahead in Google and search for any video like a gift card. In YouTube, just go ahead in YouTube and search for gift card, or Google Play on this case, Google Play card generator. And here you're gonna find a lot of videos that other people are doing, and all you're gonna do is just to go in one of these and download it. You can download using copying this link and go to Google and search for MP4 downloader for YouTube. Then you can go ahead and go to a part where is generating the cards and the Google Play code, and then you can cut this part and cut it in the format of the TikTok format, and then you can upload this into your TikTok account. Then after uploading, you just have to make sure to type the right hashtags. The hashtags are really important because they make you can share your videos even more. And you can also upload here from TikTok mobile in the desktop version. Just go ahead and click upload video, and here upload your video, and you can put a caption. Make sure to put a caption like a link in bio, or you can go ahead and put like generate yours in bio. And then after you put your caption, you should make sure to put your hashtags. For example, like the first hashtag is for you page, and is the most important one because this can share it in your For You page. And then search for any Google or free and generator, for example, and you can complete this all of these characters, 150 characters, with only hashtags, because they will help you a lot to share video even more. Then just go ahead and upload it. You can do 3 or 4 more videos like this one, and just paste your link on the bio, and to make sure to turn your TikTok account into a business account, because otherwise you can't put a link into your bio in TikTok. So this is how you can also do this, and you can get a lot of traffic, and at least you are going to get 1,000 to 2,000 followers for your TikTok account, but this depends a lot into your country. If you are in a big country like US or any others that it has big, or Russia, that there are a lot of people and a big population, and a lot of people can go ahead and click on this TikTok and into your link, you can use this really good, and it's going to be a very good method for you. So this is how you can do it. And also you can spam this video, upload the same video multiple times. You are going to get views again and again, always, every time you upload it. And this is how I did. I uploaded at least 20 to 50 times in my TikTok account, and then I was getting like 10k views for each video, and I was getting like 1000 clicks per day into my link. And then after you get some 1000 clicks, at least 400 or 500 are going to click and complete these offers, and then you are going to get about 400 leads, and in these 400 maybe $2 is the average CPM, and then you are going to get at least $800 in only 1000 clicks. So this is a really good method to continue and use it. I will be back with more videos in the future on this channel for how to promote your CPA links and CPA marketing links. Stay tuned on this channel, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos, guys. Peace.